Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting adventure. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on an incredible journey through Botswana's reptile kingdom. This vast and diverse land is home to some of the most fascinating reptiles on the planet. We'll meet some slithering snakes, sun-loving lizards, and slow-moving tortoises, each with their own unique adaptations and stories to tell. So grab your virtual safari gear and let's dive in. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of Botswana's reptilian residents. First up, let's talk about the mesmerizing snakes of Botswana. These creatures are both feared and revered, and for good reason. There's the deadly black mamba, known for its speed and potent venom. This snake is one of the most feared in Africa. These guys can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. That's faster than most people can run. Imagine that. Zooming through the underbrush like a living bullet. It's a sight to behold, but one you'd prefer to see from a safe distance. But don't worry, they usually prefer to stay out of sight. They're masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Then there's the African rock python, an absolute giant. This snake is a true heavyweight in the reptile world. This non-venomous snake can grow up to 20 feet long, and it's known for its incredible strength. It's one of the largest snakes in the world. It uses constriction to capture its prey, often taking down animals much larger than itself. Its power is truly awe-inspiring. Next, let's shift our focus to the lizards. These reptiles are just as fascinating and come in all shapes and sizes. Botswana is home to a variety of fascinating lizard species. Each one has adapted to thrive in this unique environment. One standout is the Nile monitor. This impressive lizard is a true survivor. These guys are like the ninjas of the reptile world. They're incredibly agile and can move with surprising speed. Agile, intelligent, and with a knack for swimming, they can adapt to a range of environments. Whether it's climbing trees or swimming in rivers, they're always on the move. You might spot them basking on riverbanks or climbing trees in search of food. They're always on the lookout for their next meal. And don't forget the little guys, the geckos. These small but mighty lizards are fascinating in their own right. These tiny, nocturnal lizards have adhesive toe pads that allow them to climb almost any surface. It's like they have their own built-in suction cups. Watching them scale walls and ceilings is truly mesmerizing. Now, let's slow things down a bit and meet Botswana's tortoises. These ancient reptiles are a symbol of longevity and perseverance. These gentle giants are the epitome of patience and resilience. They've been around for millions of years, surviving through countless changes in their environment. Take the leopard tortoise, for example. With its beautifully patterned shell, it's one of the largest tortoises in Africa. These tortoises are truly a sight to behold. They can live up to 100 years and spend their days foraging for plants. Their slow and steady lifestyle is a lesson in patience. Then there's the Spix hinged tortoise, named for the hinge in its shell that allows it to close up tightly. This unique feature is a brilliant defense mechanism. This nifty adaptation helps protect it from predators. When threatened, it can retreat into its shell and close it up like a fortress. Each of these reptiles plays a crucial role in Botswana's ecosystem. They're all interconnected in a delicate web of life. Snakes help control rodent populations, lizards keep insect numbers in check, and tortoises contribute to seed dispersal. Each one has a vital role to play. They're all part of a delicate balance that keeps the environment thriving. Without them, the ecosystem would be incomplete. But remember, if you ever encounter these creatures in the wild, respect their space. They're not just fascinating to watch, they're also important to the health of their habitat. Always maintain a safe distance and admire them from afar. It's important to observe without disturbing their natural behavior. After all, we're visiting their home. Let's make sure we leave it as we found it, preserving it for future generations. That's a wrap on our virtual tour of Botswana's reptile realm. I hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as I have. I hope you enjoyed meeting these incredible creatures as much as I did. Their stories and adaptations are truly remarkable. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay wild. There's always more to discover in the natural world.